52. In 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17, Paul writes, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things have passed away. All things have become new. This word new in Greek is Kainos, meaning freshly made, never before existed. That means it is impossible for your life to remain the same after salvation. If you take a look at your life and you don't see the evidence of transformation after your salvation, it means you are lacking information of your Kainos creation. Group 52, join me this Sunday, April 5th, as I preach a word about what's new in you. What's new about your Kainos creation that makes you so different? Join me this Sunday. We start at 10:30. All the details will be below. If you're anywhere in South Florida, make your way to Dania. God bless you and have the best week of your life.